Hey, welcome back to Lame Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? It's going to be a quick little my model cars and coffee for the week, and a little update on the lowrider group build and some stash ads. We'll cover those, and well, and today is also, 'cause I'm filming this on Saturday. It's the Cincinnati Challenge today, hosted by Cincinnati Auto Replica Builders, and it's going to be my first time entering anything into a show. So I think it'd be kind of fun. So I'm going to get my models cleaned up here in a few minutes and go that route. You ready for that? All right, let's get to it. All right. So a little update on the Bonneville, the Bennieville, as I'm calling it. We, as I made a post the other day, we got some lights in. Gonna be lit up. I went with bigger LEDs this time. It seemed like it'd work better for what I was doing. I had initially planned to light up the marker lights also, but I'm not going to light them up. I just this and the front and the tail lights, headlights and tail lights on this one. On the bumper here, you can see plenty of room for an LED to sit down in here in the recesses. I already had them drilled, so we'll be going that route. The interior, let me assemble it here a little bit, is for the most part done. Is I think I posted something about it last week. Did a cloth interior in the interior. Turned out pretty good for first time doing something like that. And I think I'm gonna use the same material for a headliner in it in the Bonneville. Maybe line the hood with it also if I can cut it neat enough to look right. You know, because it was a show car at one point. It's an old one now. The paint's fading. It's cracked. Needs a restoration job. So that's where we're at on this one. I'll hopefully knock this one out in a couple weeks. Sooner than later. With you know, the colors coordinate very well. The green, black, and the purple and white, and the gold dash. I don't know if you can see how it kind of looks there. Try and get you in the screen there. So let's set all him in the box over here so we don't lose anything. I had to do some Amazon buying the other day. One thing I did buy, not model related, but it's the main reason I went on the buy on Amazon. Y'all know I've had some trouble with my little septic tank lately. Bought a sewer jetter kit. It comes with all these nozzles. Took this into your pressure washer at the end of the regular pressure washer hose and use this to shove it down your drains, and these different fittings do different things. That's the main reason I went on Amazon. Then I remember hearing Gallery was doing going to be clearancing this airbrush, GH80 39. I had one. Amazon had it on sale at $29.99, which is no cheaper than they normally had it. I hadn't really noticed it getting cheaper on on the gallery website, so I figured I'd pick one up. Another one. I like it, and if they're going to discontinue them, I want backup parts because right now you can't buy the parts for them online. So we got that for $29.99. Then we also picked up the 30 Ford Model A Coupe. Mostly the chassis will be used. We'll see what's going to happen because I got the some plans for this body already, possibly. We'll see. But for like $22, it's a good kit for $22. I've been finding the 32 Roadster at Ollie's, but my local Ollie's is not having it. They're not having anything. Same 5 kits every time I went in there the last 3 times. What else we got? Huh. I think that's about it for this week. Like I said, I'm going to be going to the Cincinnati Challenge show today. I'm taking the Dart that I just finished, and I'm taking the Chrysler 300 because I like that one. I think it looks pretty good. Let me get it down here. I need to order more cases. I'm not sure how to transport these, but this is going with me. I took the antenna out of another kit I had, another 57 Chrysler, to get the antenna out of it, so it is complete. I'll probably wait till I get there and wipe it down a little. Take me a little polishing cloth or something. I just want to see how it shows, you know. And Bill over there, Bill's modeling bench, he encouraged me to bring the Dart, so I'm gonna take it. It's far from magnificent, but it looks different, I guess. So why not? Not sure what class I'm gonna put it in because it's not really a street machine, but it's not box stock. So we'll have to look and see what classes they have for them. And we'll get it in. I thought about taking the John Wick Chevelle I done, and it may make the ride. Oh, I'm not sure though. I need to wipe it down good, clean it up, and get a case for it next time I go to Ollie's. But this is pretty much box stock. I could do the box art build theme with it because it is the box art build of the Chevelle. That may be what I do. We wipe him down good, clean the winders. Don't have any cotton balls to wipe with. Yeah, who knows? We'll figure it out. But see, I done mine before the kit was released, even. But it's still representative of the box art they have now. And we'll have some fun with it. The only thing I added was this little trim piece on the nose. With that, I think I'm going to conclude this video for the week. And then get to cleaning and get to packing. A little early still. I got other stuff I got to do this morning. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.